to ask you, what is the most important thing to you in your life? Now, you would say your family, your partner, your business, your job, money, health, right? And all of us are so busy, like we all are running in the race to achieve these things. It could be emotional or it could be material. And now this might sound very exaggerated to you, but my heart feels really heavy to see that the most important thing remains the most neglected. I'm talking about food. Now, we are so unaware of food. Like, we are just eating everything and anything. Now, when people try to be healthy, the only thing that they know, I mean, most of them, is that they need to work out and they need to avoid junk food. But most of them, I mean, they don't know that health is not just about this. If you really want to be in a good physical and mental health, there is more to food, which we don't know about. I'll give you an example. You know, we just know that we need to eat to fuel our body so that we can work. Exercising and eating the wrong food is like using the wrong material to mold into a particular shape. Eventually, that's going to break down, right? So, what exactly am I talking about? I am talking about the correct way of eating, the correct type of food that you need to eat. I am not saying, and I will never say in any of my videos, that you should avoid everything and just eat raw vegetables and food. I will not say that. I will never tell you to suppress your cravings. I just want to make you aware. I just want you to, I just want your bodies to absorb the food that you're eating. And why am I saying this? I'll give you an example. Whenever it is food time, you get a signal in your brain that it's time for you to eat. And while you're busy on your phone, you just come to the table or wherever you eat and start eating the food, and you're still looking at your phone. Your brain is not present there, right? And the moment the last bite is in your mouth, you suddenly get up and take the plate to keep it, right? Just stop this. Take 2 minutes, like before starting your meal. Relax there for 2 minutes. After finishing your meal, again relax for 2-3 minutes. You need to prepare your brain that you're going to have food now. Feel grateful. If you're thinking, how do I spend those 2 minutes? Feel grateful for being able to have that food. Feel grateful that you have someone to cook for you. And if you are someone who cooks yourself, feel grateful that you are in that, in that state of health that you can cook your own meals. Prepare your brain. Feel happy looking at the food. Don't be like, "Ye khana hai," and all that. Your brain needs to understand that this food that I'm going to eat is for me. I need to nourish the body. And after you eat, okay, so once you start eating your food, your brain starts the process of digestion, which start the moment you keep the bite inside your mouth. From the saliva, it goes down and the process starts. And after you've finished your food, when you get up suddenly, Okay, so it kind of shocked your system. It was in the process of digesting, okay, and suddenly you get up, and then it takes some time to settle down. So instead of allowing your brain to settle down, please settle down yourself for 2 minutes. Let the brain get that signal that it's done now. Now, why is this important? Because your food will get absorbed properly this way. Your brain will be happy, and so will you. Computer science student is taught computers because he would be working with them. A mechanical student is taught the functioning of machines because he'll be working with machines. A doctor is taught the human biology because he's going to work with the bodies. But food, which everyone eats, we are not given proper education on it. We are only taught what are the types of foods, vegetarian foods, non-vegetarian foods, and we do not have sufficient information. Now suppose we are not aware of what type of food to eat when, what are the foods which are not compatible, and all of this. Now, for an example, someone who is feeling low, someone who is feeling stressed or depressed, they don't know that if they are having this feeling, they can have a banana, they can have coffee, they can have dark chocolate. And this is a scientific fact that if you are stressed, black coffee will help you, dark chocolate will help you. Why I was talking about food combination? People are mixing fruits with milk, combining them into shakes, not aware that this combination is not good. People are not aware which foods are incompatible. We are having cold coffees with our food, we are having chai with our salty food. This is all messed up. And this awareness is very important. By having this awareness, we can be our self-doctors. We can save a lot of money that we spend on medicines. You might not be aware, but when the relationships are impacted, when somebody is trying to achieve something and is not able to, even such things can be related to food. Because when do the relationships gets affected? Maybe there's irritation, anxiety, and frustration in someone. Why does this happen? Maybe the person is not eating the correct food or is eating the incorrect way. This is a possibility, yes. You might be eating the right food but the incorrect way. Now, the person who is not able to focus on something, maybe the brain isn't getting proper nutrients. Maybe the body is dehydrated. So for any problem that occurs, which is related to our mental health and our physical health, our first focus should be to check our food, to check the way we are having. Are we doing something wrong? Analyze. Also, we are also irritated and frustrated with our lives. We are stressful, we are depressed, and we worry so much. We don't have that peace of mind, like most of us. All related to food. Have you ever seen a saint going to Domino's Pizza? Or have you seen them eating late, too late at night? No. What are they doing correctly? You must be saying they do yoga. Yes, of course they do, and that does help, but not alone. What they're doing right is that they're eating the right food. So if you also want to be peaceful, so and be in a good health, both physically and mentally, it is important to understand food and nutrition together. And my purpose of making this channel is to make you aware, and I want you to support me in making people around you aware. And hopefully, we will be able to reach a lot of people and in some way impact their health. I will try to cover all that is needed to be aware of food. Okay? And if you want to learn yourself, I will also link some books in the description box. Please do check them. And with your support, I want to spread this awareness to as many people as I can. If you really feel that yes, what I'm saying is correct, I want you to spread this awareness or share my video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.